Hello there, welcome to another tutorial of logo designing. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to design a logo from 3D revolve effect. After watching this video you will be able to design your own 3D logo through creating a custom symbol. So watch to the end of the video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. Let's design. First select ellipse tool. And draw a circle by holding Shift and drag out. Choose any dark fill color. Choose selection tool, go to center of the circle and drag out by holding Alt to make a duplicate, press Ctrl+D to repeat the process. Select some circles in a sequence of lefting to circle between each selected circle. Select eyedropper tool, and click on orange color to fill in selected circles. Do same on another circles and fill in other colors. Now select all and make their group. Drag down by holding Alt to make duplicates. Press Ctrl+D to repeat the process. Drag second circle's row a little bit left. Do same on fourth and sixth circles row. Select all circles and make them small by holding Shift. Now drag all circles to right, and align with left group of circles. Select all circles, and make their group. Drag all circle down by pressing Alt to make duplicates. Go to symbol, select all circles and drag all to make new symbol. You can give a symbol any name and click on OK. While circles selected, delete all circles by pressing delete button, select ellipse tool, and draw a big circle by holding Shift, choose a dark fill color. Select rectangle tool, and draw a rectangle from center to left of the circle. Choose selection tool, select both circle and rectangle, go to Pathfinder, and click on -front. Go to Effect, 3D, and Revolve, check on Preview and go to Map Art, select symbol which you created, and click on Scale to fit. Press on OK. Now go to Object, and click on Expand Appearance. Ungroup it 2 times, and press on Release Clipping Mask. Drag out Clipping Mask. And delete Circle. Choose Direct Selection tool, select half of the circle, and delete it. You can hold Shift and select circles one by one, delete unneeded left part. Now I will make its handle, select Ellipse tool. Swipe Fill Color to Stroke, and select a dark stroke color. Draw a small circle by holding Shift. Increase its stroke to 12. Choose Direct Selection tool, select upper half of the circle, and press the Delete button. Select Line tool and make a line. Choose Selection tool, and rotate it. Right-click and make group. Rotate again and drag down to attach with umbrella. I think color of the handle is not suitable. Choose green color. Now it looks better. Increase handle's stroke little bit. Select all, and make group. Here is our umbrella logo. If you like this video, click on like button, subscribe for more graphic designing tutorials. Goodbye, take care.